Alright, second flight on the Timberheads. The wind is now so hard I can't put my hat on. There we go. I read something a while back. A fellow on a Facebook group said this actually makes a pretty good hand launch belly lander model. Now, I don't know about that, but I said I'd try it. I'm not going to try it today, but I thought I might try to hand launch it just because of how windy it is, and it's getting blown backwards on the runway. So I thought, why not give it a go? I bet you it's going to be effortless. It's time to take off right now. There it goes. So yes, honestly, I could probably get, if I was just going to poodle around, 10 minutes out of an 1800 pack if I wanted to. Just doing this kind of stuff. Hey, let's go backwards. There we go, flying backwards. You know, E-Flight sells all these planes as the binding flight with gyros. I know gyros can help, you know, but I'm flying this in a steady 20+-mile-an-hour wind, and it just doesn't need it, man. I don't think they need it. I was talking in my other video about how that one. Look, my hands are off. My hands are off right now. Sorry, that was just blowing my mind a little bit. So the 1.2 liter series, which is the P28, I didn't look at the price on the other ones except for the P39 I looked at. I just think those planes are overpriced for what you get. I don't remember what this one cost me. I have to look it up. Probably $250, I think. Just, you know, everything else that you can get out there, better planes for less money. And this is one of them. Look at this. I'm going to go backwards, all the way back over to behind me now. If I can. This is going to be my challenge for the day. Come on, come on. I don't think it's going to happen. I think I've got it. Oh, that was a stall. I mean, nothing bad happened, but it did stall. Alright, I'll bring it around. I couldn't do it. I was so disappointed when I saw the T28 solid plastic landing gear and hard wheels and plastic gear, analog servos. Now those may be just what works better with the AS3X, I don't know. But, you know, Horizon Hobbies website charged me tax, so that plane cost me $305. And it's a decent enough airframe. Nowhere near as fun as this guy. Nowhere near as capable. It's not even really 4S compatible out of the box. Some people say it is, and I did it. And even with a my 1 minute beat. I told myself I'd go the full 5 minutes on this one, so I'm going to do that. This thing has insane rudder authority. Ho-ho! Ha-ha-ha! That gust of wind hit the plane just a couple of split seconds before it hit me. Alright, let's land her again. I'm going without flaps because it's way windy out here. I just did a straight down. That was cool, man. This plane just makes you laugh, you know? I should fly it more than I have. I've only got about 20 flights on this thing now in the year that I've had it. I should fly it more. I can fly it anywhere. Alright. I'm going to start experimenting with different propellers and different voltages. I think this could, you know, I say that and then I immediately think, what? Why? This plane doesn't need anything from me. 3885, same as the other one. So I flew it more calmly, but a little longer. So yeah. All right. Let's flip her over, get the next battery in. It's a pretty warm day out here today. It's about 90, 93. So not crazy hot, but warm enough that this blacktop is a little bit uncomfortable for kneeling on. Alright, next battery is in. Beep, 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 beep. Alright. That's ready. I'm ready. I'm going to call it good for this video. Next one, I'll probably finish off my Timber X batteries, and then I'll get the T28 up in the air and see what it can do. It still has the gyro on board, so this wind shouldn't make any difference to that whatsoever, but we'll see.